Hello friends, I am your teacher Ankit in digital marketing sessions. So I am your digital mentor for Aanav Creations. So today we have crafted the email campaigns actually. So now we have to manage it successfully, the email campaigns. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Let's get started. So welcome back friends in the topic of managing successful email campaigns. So there's a lot to manage when running an email campaign. Today you will learn strategies to set yourself up for success. You can improve your campaigns by testing your emails, creating relevant campaign landing pages and measuring the success of all your hard work. First, let's discuss how you can use something we have called A/B testing to get more people to open your emails and click through to your website, etc. A/B testing is when you create two versions of an email to see which one performs better. You can use this technique to test different email approaches. Let's say you are sending an email announcing a new product, but you are not sure what subject line to use. You can send half of your customer version A of the subject line and other half version will be B. Then look at which email had a higher open rate with respect to each other. That is the measure of how many people open your emails compared to how many emails were delivered to them. Whichever version had a higher open rate wins. You can use A/B testing to test different subject lines, frequency, content and images. You could try sending emails on Tuesdays and Saturdays, etc. Or try sending emails weekly and monthly. See what your audience seems to prefer and then adjust accordingly. Keep in mind that you don't want to overwhelm people by sending them too many emails. You should always provide the option for people to receive fewer emails such as monthly newsletters. That's why they don't unsubscribe simply because they want to hear from you less often. Be sure to choose or create specific landing pages for your email campaigns. A landing page is the page of a person sees when they arrive at your website. That way, when a person clicks a link within the link of email, they land on a relevant web page. You would not want someone to click a link to learn about a specific product and end up on the home page, right? Your email campaigns will be more successful if you send visitors directly to the page that they want to see so they can learn about the product and maybe buy it. Last, remember that people will read your emails on mobiles, tablets, laptops and desktops, etc. That means your emails landing pages need to work well across all those devices. Just like any type of online marketing, email marketing is very easy to measure. Email services usually include analytics tools so you can track and measure how well your campaigns are doing. The reports can show you interesting data like open rates, which can help you learn which subject lines are most compelling to them. You can see which content drives people to visit your website by looking at the click-through rate when people click a link with the email. And finally, be sure to use web analytics to figure out what people are doing on your website after they click on your emails. As always, you should be looking for opportunities to improve the website experience for email visitors. Let's review of that. You can regularly improve your email campaigns by testing different versions, creating relevant landing pages, and using analytics to see what's working best. These tips will set up for success and help you understand the value of your email marketing campaigns, etc. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe of this channel and thank you very much. Have a good day.